Nagawa ako ng ano guys, ng crepe pancake para sa mga anak ko for breakfast today. Kasi today is Saturday, so yan, mayroon akong ginawa dito. So marami pa siya dito. Parang ano siya, parang crepe lang siya. Pagka pancake. Gusto nila yung parang crepe. Ano lang manipis. Kasi may ano ako. May fresh strawberry ako. Tapos lagyan ko siya nito. Fresh cream. Lagyan ko siya nito. Ayun na siya. Yung ingredients ko sa pancake guys is isang ano lang siya, isang itlog lang nilagay ko siya. Tapos milk, water, tsaka yung flour. Chansa lang siya. Chansa ko lang. Rinig niyo ba yung hangin guys? Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas. May bagyo kong dito. Narinig niyo. Tatawagin ko sila para silang gagawa ng own style nila. You want me to do the decoration? Yeah, okay. Ako raw gagawa ng decoration. So, titingnan natin. Okay. Style ko. Dala-dalawa sila. You want me to do the decoration, yeah? What decoration you want, baby? Because I make the lamb.
Cream at the side and then the strawberry fruit.
Ah, the same, the one I did the other day. Okay. If you want more cream, you can add more, you know.
Okay, thank you.
Tapos ito, ilagay ko na siya dito. Okay. If you want more strawberry, you can, okay?
Okay.
There's more pancakes there. I might have some pancakes as well for myself. Or maybe just toast. Oh, what do you think, Lam? Lovely jubbly, ayan o. That's for you and that's for you. Okay, I'm gonna make cup tea. So si Abby nag-change siya ng battery niya.
The top one, I think, isn't it?
So watch niya. Wait a minute, Daddy. Okay. That there has to be the same. Okay. This one here.
Is it?
This one here. Wait a minute. We go look in here first. No, it's so thick. Yeah, that's not that thick enough. Yeah, this one here. Okay. That there.
That's too small.
That's right there.
That battery's smaller than that.
Really? Is that there?
I think it's the top one.
It's too flat. That's the right size there.
in the wrong way. Yeah, they didn't took it out. That should, I'll screw it. You just put into it. How come we couldn't open that before?
We have no small screw, I think.
We also didn't know.
There you go, eh. Ayan naayos, nalagyan din, no? Grabe.
Better stop that.
But do you think you didn't check if they're
It's
moving?
going. Yeah, no.
Oh, yes. It is, yeah, that's good, that's good. So, yan, may backup.
Maybe you should stick the other one there and have it here.
Yeah. Yung isa, may isa pa siya, guys. Ayan, lalagyan ng battery.
Yes.
It's alright, just remove it out then. Okay. Okay, just put it in the side here. Okay, you need a battery, don't you? So what other side? Yeah, that's fine there. Yeah, got it. I'm shaking. Goodness. Okay, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, I get a bit of silicone and put the edge inside that.
Yeah, but you know why? I have a good
But
glue.
it might bore on that.
Just I'm thinking is just the side. See that side there? See that there? That there?
That's the thing.
The line.
If you put glue in it, might bore on the.
Alright, okay. Because actually, our computer before, the one key, it's broken, right?
Mm.
And then I put glue in the side and retouch and put it back, and it's no problem. Just be careful that it won't stick. You want me to push it? I go get a tissue.
You can clean up around it. This.
It's clean as new.
Huh?
It's clean as new.
You go up it on this side here.
Yeah, I know. See.
Want to put a stop on them.
You see those? You can see the glow in there a little bit. See?
You can take it off and put it back
Okay,
on.
we can. Yeah. So I peel it off. Okay. Because it still be sticky, you know.
You can't stop them.
Really? There? Okay. Okay. I just rubbed the side there. Natapos namin guys yung dalawang glasses, dalawang watch ni Happy. Chinains namin ng battery. Bagong bili namin yan, kaya lang hindi niya sinuot, matagal na. So naubos na yung battery niya. So nag-change kami. Kasi pagdali namin doon sa sa shop, charge kami ng 5 euro per watch. Save na yun, diba? Mayroon naman ako nito eh. Ito, binili ko sa Miniso sa atin. Yan. Yan. So, magluluto na ako ng dinner. So,
I'm good for something. I'm good for
you can say
something.
bye-bye then.
Bye-bye. I put on the light. I can fix watches. All I do now is
Excuse me.
fix ourselves.
I fix the watches. See you again, guys. Bye.